So here's some test footage from the GoPro Hero Session 5 that's been laying around staring at me that I haven't used, and wanted to put it to use and mount it for the first time inside my 2005 Lotus Elise. A little background about this vehicle. It's a fiberglass body, mid-engine, rear-wheel drive, 6-speed manual British sports car. I put some tasteful upgrades into the car over the years, bringing the horsepower up from 190 horsepower at stock to a whopping mega 260 horsepower. But hey, power-to-weight ratio must always be considered, right? And this little bitch in Lotus only weighs 1,900 pounds. That's less than some people. And that means this car is about half the weight of most sports cars. It's crazy light, it accelerates fast, and it's a blast to drive with the top off. After all, life's better when when cars are topless. The car is now supercharged, which you'll be able to easily hear from that annoying whine in the video. Listen. Well, let's see. Here we go. Beard stroke. There it is. That's the supercharger whine. Some other upgrades include a beautiful sounding Stage 2 exhaust, larger fuel injectors, upgraded intake, some ECU remapping, and numerous updates to the exterior of the car. Put a decent amount of work and money into the car over the years, and I have not had the opportunity to drive it too much because I'm always fucking working. So with quarantine, we're gonna test out some driving, some GoPro footage, and here's Sunoco. I'm gonna fuel up and I'm gonna shut up now and just drive around. You can listen to the car. Listen to the car, because that's what it's about. Peace.